What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to restore the default icons in your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, tap and hold on a empty space on your home screen and then tap on themes. Now in themes, tap on this menu icon on the bottom right corner and then tap on my stuff. Now tap on icons and from here select default. Now from the pop-up, tap on apply to confirm, and then it will take few seconds to apply the default icons. So that's how you can restore default icons on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.